Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Telegram stars balance quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your stars on the Telegram mobile app, so you can keep track of your balance and manage your in-app purchases with total confidence. Alright, let's jump right in. The good news is checking your Telegram stars balance is super straightforward, and you don't need any extra tools or complicated steps. You just need your Android phone or iPhone with the Telegram app installed. First, open up the Telegram app on your device. Don't worry if you haven't done this before, just look for the familiar blue and white paper plane icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Give it a tap and Telegram will launch right away. Now make sure you're logged into the account where you actually have the stars. There's nothing more frustrating than accidentally checking the wrong account only to see a zero balance. Next, it's time to head to your settings, but the way you do this depends a little bit on your type of phone. If you're using an iPhone, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll see a Settings tab. Just tap that. But if you're on Android, you'll want to tap the three little lines, also called the hamburger menu, usually found at the top left or top right corner. When that menu slides out, you'll see Settings as one of the options. Go ahead and select that. Once you're in the Settings menu, keep an eye out for an option called My Stars. It might be nestled in with your other account or payment options, so take a second to scroll if you don't spot it immediately. My Stars is the section dedicated to managing and viewing your Telegram stars, which are the digital credits you can use for things like gifts, support for channels, or special Telegram features. It's natural to feel a little curious about where these stars actually appear, but Telegram has made it pretty clear and accessible, so tap on My Stars. This is the moment of truth. As soon as you open this section, right at the top of the screen, you'll see your current total balance of Telegram stars. The balance will usually show as a number, so you'll instantly know how many stars you have left, without digging through menus or trying to decipher confusing receipts. And that's it. Seriously, you're all set. If your balance is higher than expected, maybe you received a gift or made fewer purchases than you thought. If it's lower, that's your cue to manage your spending, or maybe top up your stars if you're planning to use any premium features soon. Think of it just like checking your phone's battery level. It's always good to know where you stand before you need it. Don't worry if it takes you a couple of tries to get familiar with this process. Once you know where My Stars is, you'll be able to check your balance in just a few seconds anytime you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.